Bonjour et bienvenue à French learning classes. Today in this video I will teach you the most common and important vegetables name in French. Okay, so firstly we will learn what we call vegetable in French. Okay, so vegetable is les légumes. Les légumes, which is the vegetables. So now we will learn the vegetables name in French. Okay, first broccoli, broccoli, which is broccoli, broccoli. After that, concombre, concombre, cucumber, concombre. After that, lapinard, lapinard, which is spinach, lapinard. Une aubergine, une aubergine, which is a brinjal, une aubergine. Un chou, which is a cabbage, a chou. Un chou-fleur, which is a cauliflower, a chou-fleur. Une carotte, which is a carrot, une carotte. After that, l'ail, which is garlic, l'ail. Du maïs, which is maize, du maïs. Un champignon, which is a mushroom, a champignon. Okay, so now we repeat one more time from 1 to 10. Broccoli, broccoli. Concombre, concombre. Chou, chou. Chou-fleur, chou-fleur. Une aubergine, Une carotte, Lapinard, Un champignon, Du maïs, and l'ail. So now we will learn 10 more vegetables name in French. Okay, un petit pois, which is pea, un petit pois. Un oignon, which is an onion, un oignon. Une pomme de terre, which is a potato, une pomme de terre. Une citrouille, which is a pumpkin, une citrouille. Une tomate, which is a tomato, une tomate. After that, radi, which is a radish, radi. Next is des haricots verts, which is green beans, des haricots verts. Un poivron, a capsicum, un poivron. Une patate douce, which is sweet potato, une patate douce. Le céleri, which is celery, le céleri. Maintenant, on répète encore fois. Un petit pois, un oignon, une pomme de terre, une tomate, une citrouille, un radis, des haricots verts, un poivron, une patate douce, le céleri, So these are some vegetables named in French, and you learn it and try to pronounce it at your home. I will meet you in the next video, and if you like my video, then you can share, like and subscribe my channel. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.